New to AI? Let's simplify it. If AI has felt confusing or overwhelming, you're not alone. I've spent over 30 years in IT, and I created your first 30 days with AI to give beginners a clear, structured place to start. No hype, no technical overwhelm, just calm, practical guidance. As you can see here, the roadmap is broken into 4 simple weeks. In week 1, understanding AI, you'll learn what AI actually is, and just as importantly, what it isn't. That clarity alone removes a lot of fear and confusion. In week 2, learning one tool, we focus on just one AI tool, like ChatGPT, so you're not jumping between platforms or trying to learn everything at once. In week 3, practical use cases, you'll apply what you've learned to real-world tasks, things like drafting emails, summarizing information, or brainstorming ideas. And in week 4, building confidence, we focus on consistency, building simple habits so AI becomes a helpful tool in your everyday workflow. The entire program is available the moment you enroll. All 4 weeks. Instant access. You can move at your own pace, 1 week at a time, or all at once. No waiting. No locked content. Each week includes a short, clear lesson and a practical PDF you can use right away. By the end, you won't just understand what AI is. You'll know how to start using it confidently in your real life or work. And in week 4, you'll receive practical takeaway resources you can continue using long after the roadmap is finished. This isn't hype. This isn't technical jargon. This is calm, structured guidance for absolute beginners. If you've been meaning to figure out AI but didn't know where to start here. You can enroll for free at aibeginner.net/start. You'll also find the link in the description below. I'll see you inside.